Okay, today wanted to speak a little bit about harness connections of the Harvestech applicators. There's for about 20 plus years we've utilized these round amp style plugs. And a common issue we see is growers will tell us my amp nut just spins. I don't get a good connection here at the drawbar. Well, we don't sell these individual plugs on our harnesses. We often get asked, can we just buy this plug? No, you can't. There's too many issues along the way with pinning in your own plugs. We don't want any wires exposed, so you're always just asking for additional problems. We rather, unfortunately, you're gonna have to get the entire harness. But if it's just this amp nut, real simple to pop this guy off, and we do sell the replacement round amp nuts. There's a large, medium, and small size, but something that you're going to want to do is really inspect these pins. Dielectric grease, cleaning that up. This plug here actually has a little bit of excessive blue corrosion. We should clean that up and make sure we've got a good connection from the baler side to the tractor side. You can see that, again, that corrosion, ultimately that's going to cause issues with power connections and CAN bus connections. But with these amp nuts, and get that snap back on there, and rather than that amp nut spinning at the drawbar with a loose connection, we can get that back on there and tightened and locked in place, so we'll have a good connection.